Hello and welcome to my Semester 2 Game Engines project. Today I'll be going over my two game modes in my split screen prototype and how the development process went for the blueprints involved. So I was planning on initially having a team deathmatch mode, but because of time constraints and last minute bugs, I decided to switch it to a simple racing mode, just so I have a game mode running and working. And it's basically like my project from last semester with all the environmental hazards. And then my second game mode is a kind of zombies. It's more like PvE, like against bots that run around aimlessly. I'm not very good with AI. I've not really done it before, and I've not really done the bullets before either for guns. The only thing that I've done for that is turrets in year one. So it turned out okay, but it's obviously not to a great standard. I really wanted to make some type of like actual game mode with objectives and stuff, but I never got around to it. I wanted to have like a round based system, but I didn't get around to that either. It's just AI that run around and you can kill them and hit them, and they react to the bullets and obviously eventually die. And the shooting is kind of bad, like the aiming's not set up great, and I didn't have like proper animations for it. Just to get it out of the way, I'm going to play the zombies game mode first, and I'll show you how it is and how it works. And honestly, if there was a little bit more to it, like an objective or a round based system or something, then it would feel like a proper game mode. I have the fundamentals of the game mode and nothing else. It's just shoot and kill, and you just kind of end it yourself and check a blueprint. So once you've killed everything, I guess you could walk over to that and be like, yeah, I finished the game mode. And then you can go back to the main menu and pick the other one if you want. So that's over, I guess. Um, you can see that the shooting's not that great on mouse and keyboard, but it's actually better on controller. And then there's my other racing game mode. As I said, there's a bunch of environmental hazards and stuff, like things using interrupter movement and rotating movement components. And there's also a health pickup using a minus on the applied damage node, so that instead of damaging, it actually heals the player. And then there is a lava blueprint with a timer tick, and the longer you stand in it, the more your health goes down. So to balance that, I obviously had to add the health pickups, which are like the little can type things that you can see. It is the basic game mode type thing, but at least I have the game modes there. There is some stuff that I wish I did add or did look into more. I did really try and research stuff, but things just weren't working in time for the deadline, such as the split screen health bars. I don't know what's wrong with adding health bars to split screens, but I couldn't do it, and I looked up different tutorials and stuff, and I had no luck with trying to get it fixed in time, so it was something that I left out. There's obviously the health bar in the single player, but that's only for the player one or the player one controller. And I really wanted to make the team deathmatch mode, but I didn't have the time, as I said earlier. I really did try, but I couldn't get it done in time, and tutorials were available for the zombies type mode. As you can see in my forum posts, I followed a few tutorials and expanded on them. It's the same with UI and the main menu. The main menu I really did expand upon, and I linked all of the demo UI main menu stuff with the menu stuff that I did, so it would scroll with the buttons and stuff through the players, I think, and it linked to the right game modes with the buttons at the start. It's something I really did enjoy doing, and I think I'll probably look into more. And it makes me think that I probably would have been good at the interface module, but I'll look into it in my own time over the summer probably. on how to do like really good UI and main menu stuff. And yeah, that's my game modes. And I'm sorry that I don't have things that are too great. I definitely would feel a little bit better if I meshed some stuff, but I didn't see the point because I wasn't going to get any marks for it, so I'm just handing it in as it is and hoping for the best. So yeah, thanks for watching.